In this video, we will show you how to set up your Heimgard motion sensor. Your new motion sensor is both an important part of your smart home and security system and should be placed in areas where an intruder may pass easily. First step in setting up your new motion sensor is to remove the mounting bracket and the battery cover to expose the battery. Remove the battery isolation by pulling the plastic tab and put the cover back on. You are now ready to pair the motion sensor with your Heimgard app. Open the Heimgard app and click the gear symbol located in the top right corner. Click Manage Devices, then click plus sign and the Scan for New Device symbol. It's time to activate your motion sensor. Insert the metal pin. Click and hold the Join button for 3 seconds while your app is scanning for the device. You are now ready to configure your motion sensor. Name your device and choose your designated room. You can also add your motion sensor to your security system by clicking on Advanced Option and Security System. Remove the protection layer on the double-sided tape on the wall mount. Press the wall mount firmly against the wall at your desired location. It is important to mount it 210 centimeters up from the floor. Avoid placing it outdoors, near air conditioner or heaters, in direct sunlight, or near rotating objects such as a ceiling fan. If you have furry friends, rotate your device 180 degrees so they don't set off the alarm. Thank you for choosing Heimgard. Enjoy your new product. For further information, please visit our website, heimguard.com.